So hello guys, welcome. So today I'm thinking of building something for myself and it is of use to me. So I will be using this to build that thing, and the thing I'm building is a hookah starter. So it would be some basic hookah starter for now. Mine I was having one, but unfortunately it is not working right now, so I'm building myself one. So let us go through the process, and I will show you how you can make your own hookah starter at home. So for this I have taken this PVC pipe sheet. I have molded it into a plain structure. You can do it by heating on gas or using a hot air gun. So what I will do is I have already made some markings on this. Don't go into this texture, it was just lying somewhere around and it is in a very bad position, so that is why I'm using it. So now what we have to do is we have to take the marking. So what I will do is I will just mark some markings. Alright, so I have made some markings. I have taken 3.5 centimeters from this side, 3.5 centimeters from this side, and the fan goes perfectly in between the lines, if you can see. So now what we will do is we will heat it up. All right, so now what we will do is we will just put this inside. Goes perfectly, and we have to create a cover, a front panel and a back panel, with the exception that we have to drill a hole on this side so that we can attach the hose of the shisha and a passage to pass the air from here. So I have to two drills, I have to make two holes. Let me just quickly get it done, the top cover, the side panels, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so here are the panels. These are the side panels, this is the top panel. I have made the panel. Now time for some sandpaper to make the edges smooth. Alright. Alright, so it is done now. You see some gap here. I will fill it with the super glue. So first of all, what I will do is I will just put up this fan over here. So I want the connection to be out on top, and you have to make sure that the direction of this fan is correct. So let me just show you. So this fan blows air over this side. Okay, so input and outlet, you have to be very careful. So I will just put this fan into this. It goes off perfectly. Excellent. it has to be in the center. I will use some super glue to stick this off. Alright, so it will not go anywhere. We need to also make a opening for our fan, so let me just quickly do it. First of all, we will just alright, so it has, I have applied the glue on all sides. Now we have to just sandpaper it one more time. I have also made a now we will let it cool down for some time till the glue is hard, and then only we will stick this top panel and it's done. Alright, so now it is completed. The glue has dried and I don't seem to think that there is a leakage, although I will try it once. And also I made these holes and I have inserted this plastic jointer that you get from the sanitary shop. You will easily find this one, and this would be the outlet. So I will stick it with some glue gun on it. Let me apply it quickly. Rotate it a bit and finally here. So it's all done now. Our frame is ready. Only we need to just put over the top cover of this. But before that, I want to do one thing, and it is very important step. I want to make sure that this is completely sealed. I have also trimmed this wire because I was be using a 5-volt charger for this. So we need to just somehow apply heat gun over this side so that we can create a complete seal over here and over the top as well. So perfect, excellent. Now we just need to take out these wires, connect it to the charger. We'll take this shrink tube. I hope it will work. Yeah. So before shrinking them, I will just once test it if it is working or not. And I guess you might be able to hear the fan working. So it is working. I don't know if you guys can see or not. I am able to see it. Alright. So now we just need to Yeah, a very small pressure, if you will see like this. So hello guys, ये मैं पेंट करके लिया हूँ. Completed it, painted it. It is not looking that much great, I know, but it would get the job done. And also we will test it now. So let me just plug it in very quickly. All right, so it is working. I hope you can hear the sound. And the flow is also okay. I would not say that it is very good, but I wanted the flow to be slow only. I do not want it to be very, like, it should not suck out the coals out of the hookah or shisha. So I wanted it to be slow. But if you guys are making it and you guys really are planning to make this device, so I would suggest to use a fan that is a bit more powerful than this, not much more. A bit more would be fine. So this is the current flow rate, so it is working fine. I will test it on my shisha as well later on. But for now, I hope you guys like the video. Do try this, making this at home. If you are a shisha lover, comment if you are a shisha lover. If you like this video, make sure to click that like button. Also subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.